Hello everyone. Today we are talking about something every Excel user needs to know and something that will save our hours of work. How to clean messy spreadsheet but by using AI. Yes, how AI can save our hours of time and will do our work just in seconds or maximum in minutes. We know how to clean the Excel file, right? But for someone it takes half an hour or maybe it can take 1 hour, depends on the expertise level, right? But if you know the power of AI, it will make your task much easier. So today we are going to do it practically and live. So if your spreadsheet is full of empty rows, incorrect format, has any errors, null values, or endless duplicates, or maybe you want to do some formulas, right? So you will be wondering how to fix them so your data is fresh and ready for analysis. So today's video is for you. So in today's tutorial I'll walk you through step by step guide, how to clean, like the cleaning instructions, formulas, or we are going to use the VBA codes, how to get the VBA code by using AI, right? So let's jump on it and then see how we can use AI in cleaning the data. So I do have this data with me. So in this data, what we can see there are many empty rows here. Even we can see there are many null values like NAs, and then even we can see the format of date. And the last thing we can see we have many company codes here, but this company is the same company, but it's breakdown in different rows, right? So we can see this is another company, broken in down into 4 different rows, right? How I can get the total for this income just in one cell, right? So how we can do that one? So to do that one, I have already written the prompt here. So what I have write it down. So in the Excel file data range, in my Excel file data range is from A1 to E68. So we can see our data range is from here to E68 to 66. Right, so we can change it to E66. Contained columns from A to J, headers as company code. The header is company code, tickets, reference, job date, and income. Let's go back to our data, right? So we have company code, ticket, reference, job date, and then income, right? And then write the VBA code. We are going to ask AI, so AI can write the VBA code for us to clean for the following things. So the first thing we need to do is remove entire empty rows, right? So where there are empty rows, we need the VBA code to clean these empty rows, and then add a new column for income. Calculate the total for each company code and provide the result in the first row of each company, right? So what does it mean? So as I mentioned earlier, we do have same companies here, but it's in different rows, right? So we need the total for this company, but in the first row of each company, right? And then next one, delete the column named reference. So we don't need this column, so delete this one. And then last one, change the date column in the format of date, month, and years. So we can see the job. So let's change the format of this one here now. So let's suppose this one is in this format now, but we want to get this one into the standard format in date, month, and years, right? So how we can do that one? So what we need to do, we need to copy this one first, copy the prompt, and then go to ChatGPT. Right, and then paste it here and then click OK. Now it will take some time and then it will provide the VBA codes by doing its magic. So let's wait and building the VBA code. Now the magic has started. Yes. So wow. So if you know how to run the VBA, but it will take a lot of time to get the VBA codes, right? So still writing. So the format the job column, this is the VBA code it has written for us. And then let's see, still doing. Great. So it has given us the VBA code. What we need to do, we need to copy this one. We copied the VBA codes from here, and then let's go back to our spreadsheet. We are back to our spreadsheet. So what we need to do, we need to click Alt plus F11 and then the new window will pop up here. And let's minimize this one. Let me minimize or make it a little smaller so it will be easy for us to see what's happening behind on the Excel spreadsheet, right? So what we need to do, we need to click insert, then click module, insert the module. The new window will pop up here. Once the new window will pop up here, we need to paste the VBA codes get from the ChatGPT, right? So Control V, paste. We pasted the VBA codes here, right? So one thing, keep the one thing in mind, the cursor should be inside the VBA codes once we run the VBA code, right? Either we can click run here from here or we can press F5. Let's run and then we can see the magic on the spreadsheet, right? So all the empty rows are gone, and then the second we asked to delete the entire column where there is any values, and then we asked to change the date format, it has changed the date format. And then for the income we asked where there are the same company codes, we need the income in the first row of the company, right? So we can see it has made all the changes here. So in this way we can use the AI to get the VBA codes or to do anything, right? So this is how we can clean our data just in seconds or maximum in minutes. Hope you like today's video. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel, and then I will come back with a new video very soon. Thanks for now. Bye.